I like painting when I was small. It gives me pleasure. I got love from every people.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we going to be interacting with an artist. He is Mayank Manna, and also his painting was featured in a book. So I'm very curious because I am an artist and I would like to know about his art journey because mine was I started painting at a very young age of 2, and I would also like to know about his art journey because as an artist, it feels very exciting to see all of his paintings. It was amazing. I saw a few of them, and also would love to show it to all of you, and let's all welcome Mayank together, shall we? Hey Mayank!
Hello everyone. I am Mayank Manna from Haldia, West Bengal. I am of 13 years old and reading in Vivekanand Mission School, class 7. I like painting when I was small. It gives me pleasure. So I tried painting as a realistic. I always tried to make it as it was in photo. But sometimes I failed. So I again and again do. After few days, my hand become so good that whatever I think I can draw. And now, whatever the photo I got, I can draw it. Due to the lockdown, my painting got much realistic because in the lockdown I have practiced a lot for the painting.
What is your dream award? Is there any dream award which you would like to achieve next?
I have got many medals in drawing, many trophies like Camel Color Art Contest, Haldia Dog Complex Art Contest, and many more. But the most beautiful achievement for me is I got love from every people.
During this pandemic, we find more time than we usually do, and due to online classes and stuff, we don't have that busy hurry buddy schedule. After coming home, we practice, we have tuitions, we have to study. It's not like that, right? So during this lockdown only I started the first step basically, and I hope everybody watching also will know the story behind this. And I utilize the time. So how did it work for you?
In the pandemic, when school was not going, I was continuing my drawing. In a week, 2 or 3 drawings was done. And that time, my drawing suddenly started changing. And in the lockdown, I have done many drawings, more than 100.
Who is your favorite artist and why? For me, nature is the biggest inspiration for me while painting. I do a lot of artworks. So, who is your inspiration when it comes to art?
M.D. Hussain, Leonardo da Vinci, in our state like Amit Bhar, Subrata Das.
Paintings, especially watercolor works. I also do a lot of watercolor works, but basically I do a lot of acrylic. You might make mistakes, so how do you tend to correct it?
Mostly mistakes are not done, but if the mistakes are done, that part of the creation becomes very bad. Then we have to do again that painting.
So, what kind of mediums do you do? I am more to an acrylic person. I like to do a lot of scenery paintings because as I already said, I'm more of an nature related person. Nature is my biggest source of inspiration when it comes to art. So I paint a lot of sceneries. So, what kind of mediums do you paint on? Watercolor, do you sketch, or do you do acrylics, poster, chalk work? So, what kind of mediums do you usually work on? What are you a specialist at?
It's a watercolor painting. I have done in January, first week of January. This is a watercolor painting. When I have saw the picture of red color autumn leaves, it attracts me so much. I like to do it in my paper.
I wish you all the best and best of luck for your future. Thank you for being here, and I really appreciate you being here, and you're doing such a great job. Continue this. And I hope that one day when you become a very big artist, we again meet soon. Until then, all the best from the whole First Step family. This is here Hasini, Mayank signing off for today. I'll see you next week. If you like this video and would need more of content like this,
Everyone, please like the video, subscribe it, and click on the bell icon. If you like it, then share it also.